It's been about a year since the Hazel McCallion Central Library has closed for renovation, and the space is really starting to take shape. Today, we're going on another tour with Laura Reed, Manager of Central Library, Michael Ferreira, Manager of Capital Design and Construction, and a few members of our library team. Starting at the main floor, let's have a look at how the South Atrium is coming along.
So as you can see, we've made major progress on the South Atrium. All the surrounds have been put in place and are being addressed with final product and assembly.
So the atrium is definitely taking shape, moving from an octagon to a circle, which will just modernize the space. And I think it's going to be really impactful once we can see it without all this scaffolding.
Moving into the children's area, we'll see that the space is being primed to welcome in a lot of natural light.
What you see here is the openings of all our glass enclosures that will take place. Again, providing that separation between two designated areas and allowing that natural light to progress right through the building.
From outside, you'll be able to see in to the children's programs that are happening, and so we'll sort of animate the street as well, which will be a nice change. You know, that bright light into the children's programs will be lovely.
As we move up to the second floor, Laura can tell you one of the spaces we're most excited about.
The Open Window Hub, our special library service that helps anybody at risk in the community, so they have a safe place to come where they can relax and get connected to the services that they need to help them improve their life. And I'm so happy that we have this beautiful space on the second floor with bright, beautiful windows, and it's just going to be so welcoming, and I think everybody's going to be so excited when they see it.
Heading on up to the third floor, we're going to see a space that highlights learning and studying.
Third floor is all nonfiction, the nonfiction collection, so study and reference. There'll be lots of study tables, small study rooms, group study rooms. This is where all of that study and reference service will sort of be focused.
We are approaching the Canadiana Room. Just to give you an idea, we retained the existing footprint. We just modernized it and allowed that natural light from the Canadiana Room windows into the library. Again, reclaiming a lot of that natural light.
On the fourth floor, our Sky Reading Lounge is getting ready for the glass to be installed.
I mean, you can't see it right now because we have the weather barrier in place. But as we install the glass, it'll give you a complete panoramic view of downtown Mississauga and into Celebration Square.
On the fourth floor is also where you'll find our new teaching kitchen.
It'll have all the latest kitchen equipment to allow you that flexibility to taste your culinary art.
And something else to keep an eye on is our new event space that also includes a patio.
You can make the environment double in space by opening up the roof patio to this area, so the volume of people could increase, or you can take your assembly or your presentation into two spaces, indoor environment or outdoor environment.
So this space, which used to be the staff lounge, will now be available for the public to use and even to rent. So we'll be able to access this space inside, but as well as outside. It will be an awesome space for the public.
Just finished our tour. This marks the date of a year since the project started, and it's very clear that the progress has been tremendous over that period. The natural light in here is fantastic, and it's coming along really well. Really excited to see what happens when it's done, and can't wait for it to be open.
There's a lot of work being done behind the scenes to make sure that the Hazel McCallion Central Library will open on time. Stay tuned for future updates as we get close to finishing up what will be your new favorite place to be.